Hi guys, how are you all? I hope that you had a good weekend. Week. What am I saying? Anyways, as you all know, today is the last working day of this month, and this month is dedicated for breast cancer awareness. We should all take an oath to spread awareness, and everyone should spread awareness for the well being of other people. And on that note, let us start with the Fortnite Fun 2. We have our first lovely, dearest, most loving Kaloni coming up. She's gonna solve Rubik's Cube for us. Okay, she might take a bit of a time.
Because I'm a beginner. So this is just a disclaimer. It's only for fun times. So I told Lakshmi that I'll do Rubik's Cube because I just learned it during lockdown. So I'll take a lot of time. So you guys continue with your fun time, and meanwhile I'll just keep solving and checking.
Yeah. So until Kaloni solves, we will have our next contestant.
A fun fact: the fastest Rubik's Cube solver can solve it in 2 seconds.
Bruh, what? Is that true?
2 seconds. Yes,
Wow.
it's true. It is.
That's so good. Okay, so the next contestant we have is Nadia. Our loving Nadia. Nadia is gonna show us some coin collections of hers. So Nadia, this is yours. You can continue.
So this is not exactly a talent, but I've collected few coins, I think, and some currencies. I think there are 8 countries' currencies. Okay, so first is 1 second. Yeah, so I have an old coin from India, which is I think 1915 to 2015.
Wow.
I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the current coin. This one's 1998, 2 rupees. I exactly don't know. It is just there in my parents' purse. I stole it. Okay. And then there's Sri Lanka. I have one coin from Sri Lanka. 5 rupees here. And there's 10 euro cents, which is 2002 also.
Wow.
What's the currency before it? I don't know. Okay. This one is 100, the currency. I don't remember exactly what it is.
I think it's in the...
You guys can see clearly?
Yeah. That's
I
like
also
a very
collect-
neat note.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I
And
also have
then-
a collecting stones and shells and wherever I go. So I have this whole. Okay.
Wow.
So I'll just show. Nadia, you can also continue. So there are certain I have so it's this box is full of all the shells wherever I have been, like UK, Europe, or China, or wherever. So I just love collecting it.
That's so pretty, ma'am.
Memory. Yeah. So Nadia, carry.
And this is half real from Oman. It's pretty old.
And even she have kept it so nicely, neatly.
That's
It's very neat.
Very nice.
Thank you. And then these are the same money. Actually, this is from 100 paisa. I've already told you this. And this one is from China, 20 yuan. It's yen is
Why is it so clean?
I don't know. Okay.
Tiny.
Yeah, and then there's one coin, 1 dirham also. This is from 90. This is used from 1956 to 2006.
Nice.
Yeah, that's it. I'm done.
That's so
Thank you,
great collection. Thank you so much, Nadia.
Thank you.
Okay, so next up we have our wonderfully artistic person over here. Yeah, Hannah, don't show that.
So much.
So Hannah, you go ahead with your thing.
Okay, so I was more into craft with paper. Like, do you guys remember making? Kunjal ma'am taught us to make.
Oh my
this.
god, I struggled with that so much back
You
then.
guys remember making this?
The
horror. Kunjal was so strict, man. So much shouting I heard from her
Newspaper,
because of
right?
this.
Newspaper, you wrote it.
There's some newspaper rolls. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Very nice.
So basically, it's from this that I started to roll paper and make craft. and then I actually liked it. I started to make it as my passion to make crafts with paper. It was really interesting for me. So then I started to build upon it, and then first I tried to make a basket, and this is my second basket.
That's too pretty. You should make for all of us actually. Sorry.
Thank you.
Will not give a vote then.
Damn, that's too pretty. Like.
Using this is actually a basket,
Mm-hmm.
and then I think you guys.
This is your YouTube channel's name, right? That's so nice. Like.
Okay. So yeah. So these are my basically craft works, and I was more into craft in this, like when the lockdown started, COVID pandemic started. It was really frustrating for all of us, like sitting at home doing nothing, not going to school. So basically there are many negatives, like even for us there are many negatives, but then the positive side I got out from this lockdown is that I got a lot of time to just dug out my talents and to try my hands at painting. I never used to paint. This is the first painting that I tried, the very first painting that I tried. And I made this.
Very creative. So
Thank
she's
you,
not
ma'am.
talented girl. Well done.
It's actually my passion. Like, I don't know if it's a talent, but then I love doing it.
Of course, it's a talent, but you are very passionate about your talent.
So same thing happened to me also. Like I started, many of you must have seen on Instagram or somewhere. Like I started drawing. I'm good with pencil, not with watercolors and not with color. So I started. I just tried few. I'll just show you here only. So this is one. This one. So I do basically mandalas.
Wow.
So this was.
Wow.
You can see.
Pretty. Wow.
So this was quite entangled, and if you can see.
Yes, ma'am. The complication just makes it so beautiful.
So that's
Ma'am, it looks printed.
Yeah, exactly.
The bed table, right, and then draw it on that and bend and then draw. I started getting back pain. Then I thought, okay, leave it. It's better to be fit and So Uzma, where are you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Your what you told in that Sciencescape, in the beginning, that you should not take
Yeah.
numbers. I repeat that in every class. I make sure that everybody remembers you also. That
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, so Hannah, you finished?
I have some more, but then it's just no, ma'am. Your artworks is so good.
Thank you.
And then I like doing crafts more than painting. So these are tissue rolls. We get that the kitchen tissue rolls.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, once it's over, we mostly throw it away. But then I thought, okay, fine, let's do something else with it.
Recycling. Nice.
Yeah. And even I tried doing this. I simply painted it. So basically, it's
Yeah.
Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So from the beginning, I'm saying, okay, I totally missed it. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, because I wanted to say, but like in the middle, I was just since I'm still working on with the speed. Speed is one of the major things in it. So
That was actually quite quick.
you already solved Rubik's Cube. If you solve that 5 times, you get it back. So there are many things, but then like it goes like this.
Can we continuously do like that? Will it get solved?
No, no.
Because I've tried doing it.
It just gets more complicated.
See,
Oh.
I repeated it 5
Oh.
times and then I get it back. So
Cool. That's too cool. Okay, so next we have our most logical person over here. That's Sejal, who's gonna talk about something. Yes, Sejal, you can go ahead.
Okay, so thank you so much, Lakshmi, for personally coming to all of us. I don't know how many people. So, first of all, yeah, okay, so I'm not going to really do some amazing things what you guys really did. But the thing is that due to COVID and all this stuff, I really got into this student initiative, okay, called the Mind Charms. Okay, so there I'm in the networking team. So basically, I interview people and all of it. I don't know if this is not really a skill. And I think a month back, like during the first term exams, I had to interview a professor from University of Cambridge. So she's the head psychology professor there, and she did this amazing research. She's doing it for the past 15 years now. And I'm sure, yeah. And other than that, yeah, this whole COVID period has been so amazing for me because I recently got into the New York Academy of Sciences. So that is like if 20,000 people apply for it, only 2,000 people get selected. So I think, thank you so much. I think it's because of COVID that I could do it, because a normal day, it's really hard, like 7 to 3 schedule. So apart from that, I'm just going to share my knowledge because I really don't know if that's a talent for yours. Definitely not. So I'm just going to show you guys something else. And definitely now, PTSD can happen to anybody, right? Like, come on, let's just think. Maybe I might get PTSD, but maybe Neha ma'am may not get it. So it depends on something. So I'm just going to show you guys something.
At any age, you can get it, right?
Yeah, any age. And even maybe you cannot get it. So I'm just going to show you guys why. So let's just... Yeah, it could be, but there's a reason for why that happens. So basically, you guys can see this memories, right? There's so many classifications in biology and all. So there are this declarative and non-declarative memories. And this declarative memories, yeah, one more thing, this Miss Amy Melton, she has given a TED Talk for Cambridge University. So that's the way I got these pictures. So copyrights issued, okay, in that way. So this is declarative memories. Now, any events, like, okay, I have an exam on 23rd. So that's a memory, a fact you remember. Anything which comes under declarative. And non-declarative are the major reason why you get PTSD. All your emotional issues. Like maybe you're just too emotional. Anything. Okay, let's just think about you just remember how someone made you feel. The most important thing, the non-declarative part. So there we come across why do some people get it and not. So let's just look at it. This is, can you see this? This is hippocampus and this is amygdala. These are two parts in our brain. So hippocampus controls all those parts where, events, okay, this fact, that fact, this date. And amygdala controls the non-declarative memories, how someone made me feel. So over the period when you get PTSD, like you're going through this trauma period, like let's just take someone has gone through a rape case, a girl. So definitely it might be so hard for that person. And let's just take that case now. Anybody of us can get PTSD in this case. So what happens is when you get that, when you have the trauma issue, your brain starts consolidating that memory. That memory is called as a maladaptive memory. So because it's getting consolidated for so many days, every second, when you sit itself and you're watching TV, the bad memory plays in your eyes. Yeah, and it's just so painful. It's really painful, right? And that's how this keeps on getting consolidated. So let's just look at it. This is the strength of memory storage. Now, can you guys see this? Not stressful, blah, blah, blah. So over the period, as the process is getting consolidated, you start forgetting the time of that event. Let's just take, you have gone through some abuse. You start forgetting the time, you start forgetting the day, but you start strengthening. This is the amygdala, which controls the emotion. So that emotion starts getting strengthened up. And you start forgetting all this basic information, like who the person was, how his face looked. You start forgetting all that things. But you rather
facts and events are lost about that event, but the emotional part of it gets more emphasized.
Yes, that's all. And that's controlled by amygdala. So that's really not good. And anybody can go through it. So the reason is maybe I can go through it, but someone else cannot. So that also depends on how well the hormones and chemicals secreted by this two part manage. Like maybe someone's amygdala chemicals are not that much. So okay, they might not experience PTSD. So it's not your fault that you're mentally weak. Like anybody can be mentally emotional. So that's how we develop PTSD, and it could be depressing. A person can literally die because of this. So playing Tetris is, let's just take you're playing a game. I think you guys know Tetris, and if you do not know Tetris, you can play this with any game. So Pac-Man or any game. Okay, so presently she's doing experiments on rodent models. Okay, rodent models, because human models take a lot of permissions and lot of equipments, and we don't have that much money. So rodent models, they work similar in a way, and we can actually see, so the conclusion of this whole thing is when you play Tetris, you can't use two parts of your brain together. Have you experienced that? You can't do two things together, something fun
First
and
of all,
hard.
our brain does not even work. But if it works together, I don't know what will happen.
Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. So when you can't use two parts of the brain, and that's exactly what you're trying to do with Tetris. You're trying to play a game which is fun, and you're trying to bring your bad memories, which is really tempting and hard, at two times. So when two events mismatch, it causes them to break down slowly. And in that way, you start forgetting those events. And though this have been proved quite better, like the results are very good, but you can't really do this on a short scale, right? You really need the proper human models and maybe thousands of people to prove that. So this might take maybe 10-15 more years for it. So in short, just take care of your mental health. And I just want to say that it's not your mistake if you feel like you're crying, because it's natural, and there are certain chemicals in your body which cause you to feel more weaker than others. But in the end, I just request you all that stay safe and stay happy. Thank you, Lakshmi.
So cute.
Thank you.
That was so informative, actually. Thank you so much, Sejal.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so next up we have our very quiet yet very mischievous Sharvin to speak about space. Yes, ma'am?
No, I'm talking about Sejal. Very, very informative. Very.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, Sharvin, could you screen share yours?
Girls, till what time it will go on?
Ma'am, because Sharvin is the next, then we have Simran, then your game.
No, actually, we have meeting in school, and our bus will be coming at 2:05 or 2:07.
Oh,
So I'll have
okay.
to.
Ma'am, then maybe just 5-10 minutes more, just 5-7 minutes.
Yeah. When I have to leave, I'll just tell you guys. Okay?
Okay,
Sorry,
ma'am.
because there's
It's
a meeting
okay,
with
ma'am.
you.
It's fine. Sharvin, go ahead.
Sharvin, yes. The most quiet one in 8th grade, huh?
Ma'am, in Zoom meetings.
Ah.
Hey everyone, I couldn't find an interesting talent of mine to share with you guys, but I've been experimenting with HTML since last few weeks, and I thought I'll share my web page with you all. That's not something great, it's just something I made like last minute, so please bear with it. It's quite easy to forget how incredible everything is up there while we're busy down here, so I would like to utilize this opportunity to remind you all of our wondrous and mysterious space through some interesting facts. Let's go ahead and choose a collection of facts. First, we'll be looking at some solar system facts. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets in our solar system that have no moons at all. The highest mountain discovered is the Olympus Mons, which is located on Mars. It's nearly 3 times higher than our Mount Everest. The footprints left on the moon won't ever disappear, as there's no wind. There are 79 known moons orbiting Jupiter, and who knows, there could be more. Because of its unique tilt, a season on Uranus is equivalent to 21 Earth years. On Venus, it snows metal and rains sulfuric acid. Saturn is the only planet that could float in water. Although Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, it is also the lightest planet. Now, let's look at some outer space facts. The Milky Way galaxy is 105,700 light years wide. It would take a modern spacecraft around 450 million years to travel to the center of our galaxy. Any free-moving liquid in outer space will form itself into a sphere. This is because of surface tension, which is an imbalance of intermolecular attractive forces. By using just our naked eye, we can see almost 3 to 7 different galaxies from our Earth. Space is completely silent. This is because there's no air in space and air is required to carry the sound vibrations. The center of a Milky Way galaxy smells like rum and tastes like raspberries. Last but not the least, astronauts cannot burp in space. This is because the lack of gravity in space means the air in astronauts' stomach does not separate and rise up from the ingested food. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much.
Well, the last fact we all find it very interesting. Burping in space.
Wait, I have a doubt, man. How do they know Milky Way tastes like rum?
That's
and-
why I had the same doubt. Like, it's, I don't know. Like, did they go like taste it? Then why is it called Milky Way? Like, seriously, that's a doubt.
Raspberry Way.
So next we have Simran, who is gonna play such wonderful music for us. So Simran, you can go ahead and play guitar for us.
Yeah, okay, just 1 second.
Sure. Wow, like all the songs
amazing.
That was amazing.
Wow.
Very
It
nice.
was brilliant. Like all the songs are like flashing in the mind. Oh, 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 oh. It was like that. Seriously, it was so good.
Very nice.
So nice. Thank you so much, Simran.
That was cool, Simran.
Very, very well done. Yeah, teach us also.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So good.
So good.
Okay, so next we have a game session with ma'am, but unfortunately, ma'am have to leave. and that's so sad, but it's okay. I mean, I have it's like BFF questions, but it's with ma'am, cause she is our BFF after all. So it's like, how much do you know, ma'am? And I have asked her like 7 questions, and she have answered like all the 7 of them. Like, thank you so much, ma'am, for answering them. It means a lot. And I actually found out so many new things about her, and it's so sweet, and she's so inspiring person. So it's like
That much of
yes, ma'am. So I have asked her like 7 questions. She have answered it. So you all have to guess which is the answer she have selected. So I have made a form, and I'll share that form with you all.
Ma'am, if you're getting late, like, it's okay, ma'am.
I'll just mark who tells the correct answer though. So the first question
Are
is,
these 4 colors?
yeah, like these, you know these colors, right? Please tell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is Neha ma'am's favorite color? From A team, anyone can tell. Who is confident in answering, okay? Could you guess ma'am's favorite color?
Since no one's answering, I'm going to go for turquoise.
Which one?
Turquoise.
Okay. What about A team?
Can other groups choose the same option?
Yeah, you can. It's not a problem.
From team B, I'm thinking teal.
Teal? Okay.
Wait, which team was Hannah in?
It's
Hannah is
First
in
team.
A.
Okay, okay.
Hannah Saji.
The one who answered.
Can I
Hannah
change? Can I
Saji.
change? Dude, Lakshmi, can I say aqua? I change. Aqua.
Wait, it's teal itself. I think it's teal. It's teal. Now they keep teal itself.
Okay, teal.
Yeah.
I mean, it's your wish. Anyone from C? This message is anyone.
I think it's turquoise.
Turquoise. Okay. So, do you all want to know the correct answer?
Yep.
Okay. So the team who actually got it correct is teal. So it's team B. Sorry, guys.
Because the color at the top is teal.
Yes, I kept it as a clue for you guys to actually think about it. Like, it's
Yeah.
our favorite color. Teal is our favorite color. Like, all these are like shades of bluish green. So it's confusing. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah,
What's
like
ma'am's
they're very
favorite-
close colors though.
What's ma'am's favorite sweet? Carrot cake, milk cake, banana cake, chocolate cake? What do you think? Team B, anyone?
What's milk cake?
I don't know.
All cakes made of milk.
Yeah, I just made
Yeah,
it.
that's what.
No, in bakeries you get no milk
Yeah,
cake
like
in India, I
separate
think.
bakeries.
But all cakes have milk as an ingredient. It's like
Yeah, but I
Can you just say something?
I don't know.
Maybe it's a type of cake you get, at least in Kerala. I don't know anywhere else.
So, B team, anyone?
Will it be carrot or banana or healthier option?
Okay, so which one do you think? Any one option, okay?
Go for carrot cake.
Okay.
I don't know.
Carrot cake, fine. Then, anyone else? From A? Someone from A. Anushka? Anushka, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I don't.
Just randomly guess, it's okay. It's not
Okay,
exam.
since no one, I'll go with carrot.
Carrot cake? Okay. So, team C, anyone?
Chocolate? I'm in chocolate.
No,
I'm
I
in
don't-
team C, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Uzma is in C.
So, which one?
I'm
I
somewhat
guess it's
doubtful
chocolate,
about
not sure.
chocolate. Yeah, but it could be.
So, chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate. I guess she likes chocolate. I'm not sure,
No,
but yeah, she likes
Yeah,
chocolate.
because I remember when she said that she was not into chocolate much.
Yeah.
Yeah, like once when I was eating chocolate with my friends. So, but I'm not sure about that. Maybe it could be chocolate cake because everybody loves chocolate
So,
cake.
Banana cake.
are you finalizing with chocolate cake or
Yeah, Uzma, yeah, we'll go with
chocolate cake?
Okay, chocolate. Yeah, then it's chocolate.
None of you got correct answers for this.
Expected that answer though.
It's
It's
milk
banana cake.
She likes milk cake.
Arre.
What's milk cake?
I don't know.
What's milk cake?
We'll go.
Dude, I think there's a sweet, like it's like a milk fudge. Yeah, you guys know that? Yeah, it's a
Hindi
milk
called something
fudge.
else.
Oh, that.
Yeah, doodh ka halwa. It's called doodh ka halwa.
Maybe it's that, I think.
Yeah, so because I remember somewhere I saw it was written milk cake. So it's milk fudge basically. It's like a sweet.
Yeah, correct. It's a sweet. It's not a cake.
Yeah.
Exactly. Correct.
Yeah, it's like a halwa. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very interesting to know. Okay, so the next question: what is ma'am's favorite hobby other than exercising and stuff? So team C, anyone answer? Aishwarya, Gopika,
I guess dancing or dancing or singing.
anyone?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear. Simran.
Okay.
Any one option?
Okay, I think it's from C. Yeah, B. Kaloni, go for it. Yeah.
Dancing.
No. It's a good.
It's dancing, I guess.
Dancing.
I'm not sure, but yeah, dancing. Yeah, she likes to dance.
Yeah, that's what even I was thinking. Team with
Okay, so now she was showing her paintings, right?
Yeah,
She was showing us
But she also mentioned
That was drawing, no?
Drawing.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, she doesn't
She's
like
comfortable in
paint.
pencil. She's comfortable in pencil rather than watercolors. She mentioned that point.
I think it's
Very
photography.
interesting to see you guys struggle. Stop laughing, mom. Yeah, sorry, that's my mom laughing. Yeah, so is it dancing, singing, painting? Kya hai?
I think
Which
it's
team
photography.
are you going to go with?
Okay, team C, one
Dancing.
person answer, please. So that
Photography.
team C, photography. I'll lock the answer. Is it fine?
Yeah, we'll go with Simran.
Okay. Then team A.
I'm not sure though.
Team A. Anyone?
Photography.
Photography, fine. Team B.
Do you want to go with dancing only because I know she loves dancing.
Dancing.
Yeah, dancing.
So team B, dancing. So team C, photography. Team A, photography. Then team B, dancing. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. None of you are correct again. Sad to say, she loves singing. Guys, do you even remember her singing Samjhawa back in 8th grade? The way she sang so beautifully. She
Oh
is
yeah.
a damn singer. I fell for her that time, So she loves singing. It was, yeah, anyways. Okay, so the next question: who is my inspiring character, like personality?
Okay.
Who does
Can I try this one from Team B side?
Okay, team B, go.
Okay, I want to choose Kapil Dev because she loves cricket.
Okay.
Yeah,
And,
even I thought Kapil Dev.
Okay.
Because she's into cricket.
So, team C, anyone?
I think Kapil Dev only.
Okay. Then
It could be, but then I feel like she's a woman, so she would
Yeah,
rather
even
want
that
to
she
be
was
a
Yeah, so
woman.
go for Mary
That's
Kom. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
okay, so team A,
Keep team C
team
as Mary
B,
Kom.
Kapil Dev, and then team C, this one, Wantha, Mary Kom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it might be Aparna because why would you put Aparna instead of Sania or someone?
I know exactly. That's what even I was thinking.
I think it's Aparna. I think
Out
it's
of
Aparna.
league. Yeah. Hold on.
Okay, just put for C Aparna because it's just like a
Aparna.
down.
Team C.
Yeah.
Aparna. Yeah.
We're just putting
Do you
stuff.
want to reconsider
Team B,
changing
Kapil Dev.
Yeah, probably.
Team B?
Then team A,
Yeah.
Kapil Dev again. Team A also, right? Yeah. So let me say, you guys are wrong. It's Mary Kom.
It's milk.
It was Mary
Oh
Kom.
my god.
Why did you put Aparna out of all people?
Yeah, exactly.
It's
Oh, that's Lakshmi's research. Now I got it. Her creepy research she
You
does.
saw her research last time in Dumb Sharad.
You guys should be careful. Okay. If ma'am wasn't choosing teaching as her profession, which profession she would have taken? Team A. Choose one.
Then why confusing?
Can I say from Team B?
Okay. Yeah. Team B.
Cricket coach. Cricket coach.
Yeah. Team B, right?
I think from T, I think it's a physiotherapist. From Team
Yeah,
C.
I will support Simran.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, physiotherapist, yeah.
Team A, one person answer, please.
Hannah put Indian Army. Team A.
Hannah Saji? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, but she also likes singing.
So A chose Indian Army, B chose what?
Cricket coach, Elena.
Cricket coach.
C chose yeah, okay. Let me tell you, she wants to be a very patriotic Indian. So,
Oh, I got the gut
Yeah.
feeling, but okay.
yes. So, next question. I like to travel the whole world. On a bike, by a ship, with my family, to buy chocolates. Which one do you think?
With my family.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Team C? With my family, fine. Yeah, okay.
Team B.
Team B also, I think, with my family.
Team B, with my family, fine.
But she likes bike, okay? I've heard that. She told me that.
Yeah, I choose one only. Because, you know, it's very confusing question, so you can't.
Okay, Hannah is asking Team A on a bike.
Team A on a bike. Team B.
She's asking.
She's
She's not final yet.
Acha.
Dude, what did anyone from Team B, what did they say?
Sorry, what?
We are just guessing with my family, but do you get anything else? Probably.
I think it's
you could-
bike,
It
bro.
could be
Bike.
even the dumbest option. It could be the best option also. So you.
I'm thinking of bike.
Stop confusing us, Lakshmi. We are enough confused.
I'm not confusing. I'm just telling.
Wait,
My
no one
family.
is even thinking of buy a ship and to buy chocolates.
Yeah. Why is it that
Does she
kind
like
of option?
chocolates?
She's healthy. I don't think she likes chocolates, man.
No, man, but she likes to do stuff like us.
Yeah, she likes collecting stuff.
Like a kid. She's like our, the same, Yeah, so
Dude,
Team
I
C
think it's bike.
finalizing
Anyone
any
supporting
option?
from
Huh?
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, Team C, are you finalizing an option, please?
Team C already finalized, no? Team C said with my family.
Team C, what did you choose? With my family, yeah. Team B, same? Or-
Wait, I think bike. Can someone support me here? Is anyone okay with bike or with family?
Hold on.
Yeah,
Choose
go
the
for
best
it,
option, okay? Don't choose
No, because bike is very. I'm thinking she's the person who's very adventurous. So I feel like bike is, I don't know, a little more fun, I guess. No.
choose wisely.
Anyone else?
Stop it, Lakshmi.
Okay, so Team B, please.
By the time let Team A decide, no, Team A is also
Okay,
not
Team
decided.
A, you guys tell which option. Guys, Team A.
I think
Yeah,
Hannah-
she said on a bike.
On a bike.
On a bike. Team A. Okay, they locked that. Fine. Team
Nadia, do you want to still think on the option of buy a ship because you can travel the whole world by a ship actually?
Yeah.
So buy a ship.
I don't know.
Dude, someone support me and Kaloni are the only ones talking in Team B. Anyone else from Team B?
Yeah, you guys asked someone, right?
My brain stopped working. It's
Riddhi,
not.
come on.
Yeah, Riddhi. I'm waiting.
Devika is in the first one, yeah.
Devika is chatting.
Anyways.
Come on, Nadia,
Sana,
tell.
come on.
Okay,
I don't know.
leaving the
Nadia,
third
tell
option.
us.
From the first two, we'll choose. Do Inky Pinky Punky.
Also do.
First two options. I'm good at Ingy.
Let's take ship because all three teams will take different options. Let's take ship.
Yeah, let's take buy a ship.
Okay.
Let's be adventurous.
Team A is on a bike. Team B is by a share. Team C is with my family. You guys don't want chocolates. Wow. Fine. Okay, again I'm gonna say Team A is winning like something. It's on a
Hey, hello, Team B won first.
Yeah.
Just.
Bro, what's the answer? Is it bike?
It's a bike.
Oh my god, I
Just
told you.
try Nadia.
Wait,
Try.
A got. Yeah, fine.
Okay, the last question. The finale. Yeah. My dream is to. Neha ma'am's dream is to. First one, own a big house beside the river, climb Mount Everest, then settle in Australia, own a wildlife sanctuary and a farm. So, choose the one. Team C.
It's either 2 or 4. I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. Not settle in Australia because she's moving India, so she will not do that.
You can't see. I personally asked her so many stuff.
Okay, enough Lakshmi, you're confusing. Doesn't help.
Okay, Team C with the answer. Team A with the answer.
Team B climb Mount Everest.
Climb mountain.
Is anyone else from?
She have told once.
Yeah, I'll go with you. Hey man, Lakshmi said she said once. Matlab she didn't say this time that is this her dream.
Lakshmi is confusing people. Don't listen to her.
Lakshmi, I'll shoot you. I'll come home and shoot you.
Trust Lakshmi. Anyone don't trust
You
Lakshmi.
shoot me. Me?
Yes.
Okay, so Team B climb Mount Everest. Are you fine with that? Or
Yeah. Anyone else from Team B? Are you okay with that?
Yeah. We don't have any
great.
other option.
Yeah, great. Yeah.
Team A. Anyone typing something? I can't see.
Option 4, Hannah says.
Option 4. Okay. Then Team C. Just last question, guys. Just last question.
Yeah, just last question. It's 2:30.
Who? Team C. Choose an option.
When anybody choose D,
Yeah, A chose.
okay, I would go for D.
D.
Wait,
Sure.
it could be who took B? Oh, copycats! Come on, there are only 4 options here.
Okay, Team B chose climb Mount Everest. Team A chose
Yeah,
the
Hey, why
option
not
4.
we enjoy the simple pleasure? Own a big house beside the river.
Yeah, that's also good. I don't know.
Choose
Okay,
one.
I'll give
I'm
other
gonna
of my
ask
team
one by
members
one.
to
I'm
select.
gonna ask one by one. Team A, what's your final answer? Is it option
A.
4 itself?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Team A is option 4. Final. Locked. I'm not gonna change that. Okay. Team B, final option.
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. Okay, fine. Okay, that's okay, done. Then Team C, final option. Team C.
I don't think so. Anybody is there. All of them went to eat lunch.
Sage.
Yeah, wait, C, right? I'm sorry, I was just talking to my mom. Yeah, okay, we will go for D then, maybe.
Option 4.
Yeah, nobody's saying anything, so yeah, it's okay. D. Everybody left actually. There are only 13 people here.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, we want to eat lunch. Lakshmi.
So,
Yeah.
let me tell you guys this. She wants to own a wildlife sanctuary. And a
Oh, okay, something I won. We won. At least I made Team C proud.
So on
By
the
winning.
sheet we have Team A.
Team
Then next we have Team B, and Team C and Team D is in tie. But Team A
Okay,
has
luck.
3 questions they got correct. But seriously,
Cash
most
prize.
of them.
Yeah,
What?
cash.
Devika is asking for cash prize.
Yeah, cash prize.
Guys, I'm gonna go. I'm broke with money. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. That's
Thank you.
so.
Thank you.
Maybe this is our last fortnight fun, so bye guys.
Bye guys.
Love you all.